Ahoy, shipmates! There's a lovely container ship here, the Hanbada. It's a big old beast. Yeah, in fact, it's quite big, isn't it? In fact, it's getting very close. In fact, it's a little bit too close. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, dear. The drone didn't come off very well with that encounter with the Hanbada. It's not my drone. A shipmate who works in the container terminal found this poor, lonely drone at the bottom of a stack of containers on that container ship. He spent some time trying to find the owner, and then he reached out to me and said, "Captain, maybe it's your drone." I said, "No, it's not my drone, shipmate. I'm not that reckless to fly into container ships. I know which is going to come off worse if I try and fly into a ship." But I had a quick look at the drone, and it's pretty poor shape. I can see there's quite a bit bent on it. Propellers are bent. The case is cracked. The camera gimbal's broken. The lens is missing. Yeah, it's not a very happy drone. Couldn't find any flyer ID on the drone. The serial number was rubbed off. There was no contact information. It doesn't boot up or power on. It's pretty much a dead drone. Oh, you can see quite a mess. Quite impressive though. It must have fallen about 60 feet or so after it smashed into that container. My guess is that he lost signal. It looks like he's taken off from here in Hythe Marina. It's quite a lovely. This is an evening. It's about 9:30 in the evening. There's Mine Chief 3s over there on the left-hand side. It's actually quite decent shots here. The Hanbada. Not quite sure how you pronounce it. It's looking very full. Quite the formidable foe. God, this isn't a new experience for me, watching someone else's drone video. Well, it's getting quite low. It does give the impression of a beast. So yes, I do like the lowness. We're just passing dock head here, so the Hanbada will be towed in by a couple of tugs, I suspect. I can't see anything at the moment though. Perhaps. Well, no, there should be a couple of tugs because we're at dock head here. Should be reducing a speed to about 6 knots in port. Oh, yep, I can see a tug there. Yep, there we go. And there's Mine Chief 3 in the background. I think on this evening, Mine Chief 3 departed about 10 o'clock, I think, or was it 9:30? Somewhere around there. Oh, yeah, there you go, and that's the name. You can read it there on the front of the ship. Hanbada. This is some quite good shots with Mine Chief 3 in the background of the container ship. Oh, actually, I'm quite impressed with this, actually. I would be proud of this sort of thing myself. Well, looks like we're going to get quite close to Spitzer Bar Gate. Lovely glassy water there. Ah, yes, you can see one of the other Spitzer tugs on the starboard side. It does look an imposing object. A lovely orange glow on the front of the HMM there. That water is absolutely glassy, isn't it? Mine Chief 3. Just about to depart. Probably waiting for the container ship to come in now that I realise what I'm looking at. I'm rather absorbed in this lovely video. Now, I think the problem is going to come about here. He's got a lovely view. I can see what he's trying to do. He's trying to get the comparison of the two ships next to each other, which is admirable. Yep, there we go. He's lining up. Maybe he's going to take a shot. Yep. No, I think at this point, I suspect the drone can no longer communicate with its master. It's probably getting really weak reception here because there's a big container ship in the way. Oh, I think he's trying to do something, and yep, the drone is just clicked in. I think it's clicked in to return to home. It's a safety feature. If it loses signal, it will return to home. It flies back to where it took off. Unfortunately, it's going to try and fly back through the immovable object of a HMM container ship. And here we go, straight into the container up here. Bang! Yeah, that was the end of that. It might be more than 60 feet. Perhaps it was 80 feet. It was a long way. I'm surprised that it only had one broken prop, although frankly it's quite useless, isn't it? I recovered some photographs from the SD card. There was lots of video on there, but all the recovered video didn't seem to work. But I managed to recover some photographs, so I thought we'd have a look through. Oh yeah, here's one from the dockhead. Looks like Iona or Avia. One of the MSC ships. That one's Iona, just coming past the dockhead. Oh, some lovely fireworks there from Queen Anne. I was hoping there was some video from Queen Anne, but like I said, all the video was corrupt. Another one of the MSC ships. I'm not sure which ship that is. Coming into, he's obviously just off Mayflower Park. There's the container terminal. STC 1, 2 and 3. Oh, that's the stern of another ship. Oh, that's quite interesting. No idea where that is. Oh, some feet. Oh, so close. Oh, and a decapitated body. If this is your drone, contact me. Oh, this looks like London, I would imagine. Ooh, a football pitch. There's a wide variety. Oh, back of someone's head. And if you recognise that, drop me a line. Looks like another MSC ship. That's probably Euribia, I think. Oh, that's very close. He definitely likes to fly close to the front of the ship, doesn't he? That's probably Iona or Avia. Looks like they've done one at Queen Anne post-firework display. I'm not sure which one that is. I think that might be an MSC. Bit dark, that one, shipmate. Oh, back into the container terminal. This is STC3. Looks like Portsmouth. I can see the Spinnaker Tower in the background. Oh, maybe that's what that football ground was earlier. Oh, that's the sort of shot. Now that would be one of my shots, actually. A comparison in size between. Ooh, that's nice. That's from Mayflower Park. Don't know where that is. Some sort of industrial area. Looks like Iona. Looks like I don't know where that is. No, just foggy. Oh, that's very similar to one earlier, I think. Foggy picture. Oh, and then a container ship. A bit blurry, that one. Not very good. Ah, some trees. No. Don't know where that one is. Ah, looks like a Fred Olsen ship, that one. Oh, London. Yeah, I think that might be London. Oh, that's quite good, isn't it? I do like the sun breaking through there in the distance. I think that's Portsmouth again. Obviously at the football ground. It's the bow of a ship. A container ship, I would think. Looking at all the heavy gear there. Ooh. I don't know where that is. It's the stern of a ship in the city cruise terminal. That looks like Queen Elizabeth Country Park. Oh, it's a Nia and a slightly bald head. We're getting closer. I can feel it. Oh, well, that's the top of one of the cruise ships. Look how well lit they are up at night. Not a bad shot. It looks Polishy to me, maybe. Zasprapsami. Maybe that's Polish for rum-based cocktail. That's another foggy-ish one in the morning or evening. The CGM Titan. Ooh, very colourful stack of containers there. I'm guessing that's in port. Oh, it's another one of the Fred Olsen ships. I'm not sure which one. Oh, some scaffolding somewhere. Not much to go on with that one. Oh, there's another one of those. That's actually not a bad shot. That it's quite impressive. That little orange down there. Passing the dock head. Oh, that's a ski jump. And that one's upside down. There's no way to fly a drone. Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's better. But there's not much to go on. Oh, that's pretty. Where's that then? Oh, and there's that ski jump. I've never thought about taking my drone skiing. Looks like Town Quay with the MSC Posier. Oh, that must be the other day because the Circus Extreme's there. Oh, that's quite good colours with the Freddie Olsen ship. Central London, maybe? Not sure. It's the MSC Posier again. Oh, it's very dark. That's the Marchwood incinerator. It's down at STC. Oh, now that is impressive. Oh, I do not recognise that at all. That looks like Central London to me. I can see the Shard in the background and the Gherkin. That looks very Scottish, doesn't it? It's got that sort of Scottishness about it. That doesn't look very Scottish. Somewhere in Eastern Europe, I would hazard a guess. With a white and red flag there. Probably a bit of a giveaway. Oh, we've all got shots of these. Random shots of the ground. Oh, there they are. Disappearing into the distance. The two droners. Yeah, I'd say that's probably Poland. I'm not sure about that. I don't think that's Poland. It looks more like Scotland to me. Not in any particular order. It's just the way they've been recovered off the file. Some sort of fortification. Yeah, that just looks like, for some reason that looks like Scotland. Hello, it's a chap swimming. Do you recognise that bottom? If so, drop me a line. Oh, there he is. We're closer. We're homing in. No, back to Scottish Highlands. No, that's definitely in Scotland. I think that's up in Glasgow somewhere, or Strathclyde. I don't remember. I do remember seeing it, the horse head statue thing. Interesting building. Looks like something out of Grand Designs. Not sure. That reminds me a little bit of Edinburgh Castle, but I don't think it's big enough. Oh, lovely bridges. I think they're bridges over the Forth. That's what I would think. Yeah, Forth Bridge, Road Bridge, Rail Bridge, and the other one. There's not 4 bridges over the Forth. Oh, topless action. I wasn't expecting that. Oh dear. Oh, there. Oh, we're getting closer. Which one is it? I think it's the chap on the right. He's the drone operator. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's almost recognisable. Yep, there he is. There's our chap who's lost his drone. I think that's the best shot I've got. Well, if you recognise this man, shipmate, or if you are this man, shipmate, and you'd like your drone back, what little of it there is left, drop me an email. That's captain@ahoyshipmate.com. Well, that was quite interesting. I've never looked through someone else's drone pictures before. I have to say it was quite enjoyable. Some okay shots there. Some leave quite a lot to be desired. Well, hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. Until next time.